There are 8 simple habits that can reverse cataracts in just 25 days. I know, you're thinking, here we go again, more promises with no results. Well, here's a sneak peek for you. A large study from 2023 showed that people with the highest antioxidant intake from fruits and vegetables experienced a 33% reduction in cataract progression. Pretty impressive, right? And that's only one of the powerful changes you can make. So, keep watching, because by the end, you'll know the most effective habits to restore and protect your vision. 1. Increase antioxidant intake. Antioxidants are essential for fighting the free radicals that damage cells in our eyes and contribute to cataract formation. Free radicals are unstable molecules that attack cells in the lens of the eye, creating the cloudy effect associated with cataracts. Antioxidants work by neutralizing these free radicals, helping to keep the lens clear and healthy. Now, the best way to boost your antioxidant levels is to eat a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables, which are naturally rich in vitamin C and E. The vitamins are 2 of the most powerful antioxidants for eye health. Vitamin C helps reduce oxidative stress, which can damage the proteins in your eye's lens over time. Oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwi are all high in vitamin C, and getting these daily can make a difference. Vitamin E, on the other hand, provides a protective barrier for eye cells against environmental damage. Nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin E, so try adding almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach to your diet. If getting enough through food alone is tough, consider a quality vitamin C and E supplement for an added boost. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are another critical nutrient for eye health. Known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the eyes and throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to cataract development, so keeping inflammation under control is key to protecting your vision. One of the best sources of omega-3s is fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Aim to have these types of fish a couple of times a week if you can. But if fish isn't your thing, there are plenty of other ways to get your omega-3s, like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, which are excellent plant-based options. Fish oil or algae-based supplements can also be effective if getting omega-3s from food alone is challenging. By adding these healthy fats to your diet, you'll be supporting the health of your eye's cells, helping to keep your vision clear and preventing further cataract progression. 3. Limit refined carbohydrates and sugars. Refined carbohydrates and sugars aren't just bad for your waistline, they're tough on your eyes too. When you eat a lot of sugary or processed foods, it causes a spike in your blood sugar levels, which can lead to oxidative stress in your eyes. High blood sugar damages proteins in the lens of the eye, causing it to become cloudy and increasing the risk of cataracts. Switching to a low-sugar diet with more whole foods can reduce oxidative stress and give your eyes a break. Try replacing refined carbs like white bread and pasta with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These foods don't cause such extreme blood sugar spikes and are generally better for your body. 4. Stay hydrated. Hydration plays a crucial role in eye health, yet it's often overlooked. The eye lens relies heavily on water to stay clear and flexible. When you're dehydrated, the lens can become dry and more prone to cloudiness, which only worsens cataract symptoms. Try to drink water consistently throughout the day. While the general recommendation is about 8 glasses, your body might need more or less depending on your activity level and environment. You don't have to stick to just plain water either. Herbal teas, soups, and water-rich foods like cucumbers, melons, and oranges can also help keep you hydrated. When you're properly hydrated, your body can flush out toxins more effectively, some of which could affect your eyes. Staying on top of hydration helps support the natural lubrication of your eyes, keeping the lens clearer and reducing the risk of cataracts. Another way to benefit your overall health is to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be able to make informed decisions about your health. 5. Optimal intake of zinc and selenium. Two minerals that are often overlooked for eye health are zinc and selenium. Both of these play a major role in supporting vision and can help prevent and manage cataracts. Zinc is an essential mineral that helps deliver vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it produces a protective pigment called melanin. This pigment helps protect the retina and supports healthy vision, especially in low light. Foods rich in zinc include shellfish, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Meanwhile, selenium is a powerful antioxidant that works closely with vitamin E to help protect cells from oxidative damage. Foods high in selenium include Brazil nuts, fish, and eggs. Even a small amount of selenium-rich food, like a Brazil nut or 2 per day, is enough to meet your daily needs. By adding these minerals to your diet, you're giving your eyes added support against cataracts. 6. Regular exercise. It might sound surprising, but regular exercise is great for your eyes. Exercise boosts circulation, ensuring that blood flows freely to all parts of your body, including your eyes. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your eyes, which can help slow down cataract development. You don't have to hit the gym every day to see benefits. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, or yoga for about 30 minutes most days of the week can help. Regular exercise also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which, as we've mentioned, is key to preventing the formation of cataracts. 7. Wear UV blocking sunglasses. If you're not already wearing sunglasses regularly, now's the time to start. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet UV rays can speed up cataract development by causing oxidative damage in the eyes. Wearing sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your eyes from this damage. Look for sunglasses labeled UV 400 or 100% UV protection, as these block out all harmful UV rays. Polarized lenses can also help reduce glare, which is especially useful for driving or being out in bright sunlight. And don't just wear them in the summer. UV rays can cause harm all year round, even on cloudy days. 8. Get regular eye exams. Now, keeping up with regular eye exams is crucial. Even if you're doing everything right, regular checkups allow your eye doctor to catch any changes early. Cataracts progress slowly, and regular monitoring helps ensure that any issues are spotted and addressed right away. An eye exam also gives you the chance to ask questions about your eye health and get personalized advice based on your situation. Your doctor can check for other eye health markers like intraocular pressure and retinal health. That could be affecting your vision without you even realizing it. Keeping up with annual eye exams helps you stay on top of your eye health, giving you peace of mind and helping you take action if any changes start showing up. All in all, transforming your eye health may be simpler than it seems. These 8 habits are powerful, and trust me, these simple lifestyle changes might be all you need for healthy, sharp vision. Thank you for watching. If you're craving more wellness wisdom, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for weekly uploads.